Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we have a huge collaboration. I am so thankful that I was asked to be a part of this collaboration, and I cannot wait to grow in relationship with these other women. Happy Vlogmas. It is Vlogmas day 11, and these are all of the sweet mamas that are in this collaboration. I will leave all of their videos linked down below in a playlist for each of you to watch. The cookies I am making today are actually a cream cheese chocolate chip cookie. They're fluffy, and you guys, they turned out so good. I hope that all of you decide to try these cookies. I don't think I've had a chocolate chip cookie this good ever. The only thing is the chocolate chips. I know that I put too many in, but I am not mad about it. They were delicious. I will just know next time. Less on the chocolate chips, Sister Sal. So this recipe calls for 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1/4 cup cream cheese, 2 teaspoons vanilla, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 3/4 cup light brown sugar, and then it also calls for 1 egg in the wet ingredients mixed together. And then the dry ingredients are 2 1/4 cup flour, baking soda, baking powder, cornstarch, and salt. And I will actually leave the hard and fast ingredients down below. I found this recipe on Pinterest, and I am so happy I did. This was not my cookie of choice. I actually recorded a completely different video with another cream cheese cookie. It didn't work out. This one worked out, and I am so proud of it. We had so many different hands in this recipe, so I truly just had to trust that each of the girls were putting the correct amounts of each ingredient into the bowl. So I was definitely a little bit sketched that these would turn out. And when I put them on the cookie sheet, you can tell that they definitely were more firm than any chocolate chip cookie that I've ever been used to. But it's funny because they look the exact same way going into the oven that they did coming out of the oven. And the recipe actually says do not cook for more than 10 minutes because when you pull them out of the oven, they don't look done. So that is just a heads up to you. If you decide to make these, they will not look done, but they are. Taya took over because this was so hard to stir, and you can see it is a very dry batter, and we could not make sense of why it was so dry, but it ended up working out. I just had to get in and mix with my hands. And a funny thing, if you know me, you know that this is not my jam. I am not okay with mixing things with my hands. However, I didn't want my kids' hands in these cookies, so I decided I would do it all on my own. I toughed it out. I got it done. And while I was doing it, me and little Miss Ellie were singing a Frozen song. I'm not sure if you can tell, but we had a lot of fun singing and getting these cookies mixed. I also was not sure how far apart I needed to space these cookies. However, I just put them in their little circles on this first pan, and it actually turned out that I could have put far more on this first pan because they do not spread like a normal chocolate chip cookie. They stay super fluffy and in the form that you put them in the oven in. So you can see here with these ones, I actually end up spacing them a lot closer, and it worked out. They do not change in shape really at all. And so I really could have put all of these cookies on one pan, but it's probably best that I didn't, considering every oven is slightly different. So I ended up lucking out, and it all worked out just fine. I do want to tell Kerissa thank you for asking me to do this collaboration. After you watch my video, do not miss watching everybody else's.
Hey.
Do you like them, buddy?
They're very messy. You literally just consumed the whole entire thing, so probably.
Guys, these cookies, they're so good. If I could change anything about them, it would be how many chocolate chips I put in them. But I knew that when I was putting them in. So, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching this video. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye guys, love you.
Bye.